Hello friends, in chapter number 6 life processes, let's go through the another life process. It is called translocation. First we go through the circulatory system in human. In human, heart can be helpful for the purifying the blood. There will be in higher animals, there will be a 4-chambered heart. It contains 2 ventricles and 2 atrium. 2 atrium and 2 ventricles. Benefit of 4-chambered heart is oxygenated and deoxygenated blood cannot mix together. Because of 4-chambered heart, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood cannot mix together. In the circulation, first deoxygenated and oxygenated blood can be differentiated by atrium and ventricles, and then they goes purify through the lungs. In the lungs, deoxygenated blood can be purified and oxygenated blood can goes to the other body parts. You have to explain circulatory system in human with diagram. See here, chapter number 6 have more information, too much information. So in revision, all information cannot be included in lectures of revision. So if you have any query about any system, nutrition, respiration, transportation, circulatory system can included with diagram. And in excretory system, I can explain all the system in detail with the diagram. So you have to revise video of any system if you have doubted, if you have query in any system. All system cannot be explained in the lecture of revision. In circulatory system, 2 connective tissue can be helpful for the circulation. First is blood. Blood is a connective tissue. because of hemoglobin present in the RBCs, red blood cells. Blood can contain three types of cells: RBC, red blood cells. Here I can write RBCs, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells, and blood platelets. So hemoglobin can be present in the RBC. Benefit of hemoglobin, we already study about the benefit of hemoglobin. Due to hemoglobin, oxygen can reach all the body parts quickly, or you can call it directly. Because in multicellular organism, all cell needed oxygen to do their own activities. So only diffusion cannot be possible. Due to diffusion, oxygen can reach cell. It takes too much time. So in every cell needed oxygen. Hemoglobin can be combined with oxygen, and it can supply oxygen to all the cells. Hemoglobin present in RBC. Due to hemoglobin presence in RBC, the color of blood is red. It can be helpful for the transportation. And as we know in nutrition, when digested food can be totally digested. Digested food can be combined with the blood, and then all the body gets energy. Another connective tissue is connect with the blood is called lymph. Structure of lymph is like as blood. It contains plasma, contents of lymph is as like as blood. It contains plasma and protein, but the amount of protein is less in comparison of blood. It also contains plasma cell but the amount of protein is less in the comparison of blood. As like blood is red color, but the lymph is colorless. The most important function of lymph is it absorbs fat from the interconnective tissues. When in the case of interconnective tissues, when fat can be stored, lymph absorbs the fat from the interconnective tissue, and it protects our body from diseases. If we take something 4 to 5 ml of blood in a test tube. Rest the blood in 4 to 5 hours. We see some colorless fluid can be seen. In the differentiation of blood and colorless fluid, in case of when we take 4 to 5 ml of blood in a test tube, we take a blood rest this fluid rest in 4 to 5 hours. We see two layers. This is blood and other colorless fluid. This colorless fluid is called lymph. Lymph is the most important connective tissue for the protection of body. Two functions can be included with the lymph. Translocation can also see in the plants in the sense of xylem and phloem. If the translocation of water in plants can be occurred by the xylem, and nutrition can be occurred in the plants by the phloem. If you have any query about xylem and phloem, please revise the video of xylem and phloem. You can get total information about xylem and phloem. Let's go through another life processes is called excretory system. Removal of nitrogenous wastes. Like urea and uric acid from the body, it will be called excretory system. As we know, in unicellular organism, excretory system, excretory wastes can be removal by the process of simple diffusion. But what about in multicellular organism? In multicellular organism, there will be a special organs can develop for the excretory system. The process of excretion, kidney, urethra, urinary bladder can be helpful for the excretion. Excretion in human with diagram. we already see with the example of excretion in human with the diagram. And in the sense of excretion, we study about the four parts: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. You can explain it, and you can draw the diagram of excretory system. In the excretion, nephron structure of nephron can be helpful. You draw the diagram of nephron. I can explain quickly with the roughly diagram. When blood can be circulate in our body, it can take nitrogenous wastes and thrown into kidney. In kidney first, nitrogenous wastes can be come into Bowman's capsules and then go through the tubular structure and passes through the tubular structure. First, the excretion of glucose amino acid, filtration of glucose amino acids and other salt can be occur in first filtration. But they are important for the body, glucose, amino acids, other salts. So when the nitrogenous wastes pass from the tubules, the important structures like glucose, amino acids and other salts can be reabsorbed. Two processes can be occur in the removal of nitrogenous wastes. First is filtration and then other is reabsorb. The absorption of water can be depended on amount of water. How much water can be absorbed? It can be dependent on the amount of water. If the amount of water can be high, the absorption of water can be high, and the amount of water can be less, the absorption of water can be less. So the balancing of water can be occur in our body. So when only wastes can be occur, it can be thrown outside the body. It is called excretion. So here we take four type of life processes which can be helpful for our body. It will be called nutrition. In nutrition, we study about autotrophic nutrition. You have to study about autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition can be divided in three parts. Then you have to study about digestive system of human and digestive parts of the human with explanation with diagram. Then respiratory system, respiratory organs with diagram, and respiratory system can be included in the breakdown of glucose. Have three equations, one in aerobic and two in anaerobic stages. Two stages can be occur in the respiratory system. Respiratory organs with diagram. Translocation can be occur, translocation can be occur in the with the help of heart. It can show circulatory system. You have to draw the two diagrams for it: internal structure of heart and circulatory system of heart with explanation. You have to study about two connective tissues which can be occur in the circulatory system of human. It is called blood and lymph. Structure of blood, function of blood, structure of lymph, function of lymph. And you have to study in translocation about plants. Two tissues can be helpful for the translocation of plants. In translocation of water can helpful for the in the help of xylem, and nutrition in plant can be occur in the help of phloem. This information can helpful for the translocation. You have draw the diagram, two diagram, one for internal structure of heart and second is circulatory system of heart. Then you go through the excretory system. What is excretory system? The most important part can helpful for the excretion. It is called nephron. In each kidney 10 lakh number of nephrons can occur, and so it can be excrete substances, and which substances can be helpful for our body, can be reabsorbed by body, and the activities of body can be goes on. If you have to any query, you have to again see the video of any circulatory system, excretory system. If you have to query in any system, you study again the video of each and every system, and you can be clear it. And you have to study about the textual exercise question and answer, which will be related to 4 life processes: nutrition, respiration, then circulation, and fourth is excretion.